Now till probably late Wednesday night, Matt, maybe Thursday morning.
That's what it's looking like. Just think, Darren, if we had our own 5 News brew, we'd be unstoppable. Hey, you might need some extra coffee because it's just been gloomy today. And we've had a lot of rain. This is the kind of rain, though, that you don't have to worry about severe weather. So we don't have rumbles of thunder necessarily. There could be a stray one, but no storms coming in. Just some good old-fashioned rainfall. This is the kind that makes good napping weather. But it will feel like the sun is setting earlier tonight just because all the extra clouds. The clouds are pretty thick, too, so it's going to feel darker and just faster as the system doesn't give us any breaks for the next at least 24 hours. Like Darren mentioned, expect rain on the radar all the way through late Wednesday night. Now, the good news is that we're trending in the direction where by Thursday morning, waking up, headed out the door, the rain should be done. But until then, we're soaked. We've got some good rainfall right now from north to south. We'll do a quick tour. We've got some heavier rain in western Benton County. As soon as you get west of Bentonville West High School, that's where it picks up. Grab it. Decatur getting that heavy rain. Siloam Springs, we've got some good rainfall for us too. Coming down in Fayetteville, but a little bit lighter at this time. It's going to pick up later for us too. Logan County, we're also ballooning with some of the heavier rain bands coming right over Boonville, headed into Paris now. Ozark and Altus, Whitaker Village, we've got some good rain for us, and that's all headed east into Clarksville. Waldron, we got a good downpour right over central Scott County. That's headed north and east towards Blue Mountain. Fort Smith, we've got light rain, but it's also going to pick up for us over the next several hours. All right, what we're expecting overnight tonight, as you go towards midnight, rain just continues on and off. Now, probably more times on than off. It looks like the little breaks that we have in the rain will become few and far between. A lot of these bands of rain will get larger, so there's not so many breaks. A lot of times it's just solid rain for the next several hours, and there could be a small flooding risk, especially along some of the smaller river banks. Some swollen rivers are definitely possible overnight tonight. Here's a look at Futurecast. Heavy rain just continues. Now in the River Valley, it looks like it's going to be the heaviest overnight tonight. There could be a few breaks in northwest Arkansas, but then eventually that also comes to an end as heavier rain comes in from southeastern Oklahoma, just right from Poto and Sallisaw, and just crosses the state line, smacks us in the River Valley and in northwest Arkansas. Now, waking up tomorrow morning, more rain likely for us. It could be a little bit more broken as we're taking the kiddos to school, but then more rounds of heavy rain come throughout the middle part of tomorrow and into the afternoon. It looks like by tomorrow evening, we'll finally start to wrap this thing up, but still some light scattered showers this time here, 24 hours from 5:20, which we're right now, recorded time. All right, so overnight, just from now until about 6 a.m., waking up tomorrow morning, a lot of us should expect a whole inch of rain. If you're checking the rain gauge tomorrow morning, we're aiming towards an inch. And then throughout the day on Wednesday, maybe another inch, especially in the River Valley. It looks like the heaviest rain will be south and east of Fort Smith. Don't be surprised if we've got totals near 3 to 4 inches the farther south and east you go. So we're definitely soaked, but at least we don't have any severe weather. But watch out for some rivers. The Poto River and the Illinois River both have some flood warnings and flood advisories on them just because they could be a couple feet out of their bank. Something to watch as you go from Cameron south into Poto as you cross some of the bridges there. Rain ends, though, by Wednesday night. I think by Thursday we start to dry out, but then a small little system just sneaks in Friday morning, giving us a few flurries. Coming up tonight at 6, you'll want to tune in. We'll have the latest on those little wintry threats. Doesn't look like a big one for us, but I'll show you where those threats will be, how far south will the threats go, things like that, Darren. In the River Valley, we've got rain all the way through Wednesday night. Thursday, we'll get a quick break, and then we've got some sprinkles on the way.
Yeah, cold on Friday, too.
It's going to be chilly.
All right, Matt, thanks. Well, Super Bowl week officially underway in Arizona. It means a lot of hype with journalists, analysts, and fans already